autumn room. The blind not fully closed, like a sudden fear held back from falling, does not separate us from the open air. Look, there are 37 neatly ruled horizons, yet the heart dismisses them. Without regret, the light recedes. The honey-colored light is now the color of the scent of apples. How slow the world, how slow the world, how slow one's grief for the hours that quickly slip away. Will you recall this room? I'm fond of it. What are those workmen's voices? Builders, men, the blocks still lacks one house. They sing, but today I hear no sound. They shout and laugh, and now they're silent. It seems strange. How slow the red leaves of the voices, how uncertainly they come to cover us, as if in sleep. The leaves of my kisses cover by degrees your body's secret hiding places, and while you forget the tall midsummer leaves, the expanse of days we didn't kiss, deep down the body recollects. Your skin retains one half of sun, one half of moon.